The value of the dollar is expected to continue to fall at the same rate until Q2 the next year. Additionally, the value of produce will fall by 18% if kept until then. What is the approximate change in the value of Star Farm's produce in dollars over the next 2 quarters? So we're going to use these 2 quarters here, calculate the approximate exchange rate in the approximate percentage change in the exchange rate, which we can use to find the exchange rate in Q2 next year. So let's use this new value here, 1.12, subtract the old value, divide by the old value and multiply by 100, which is minus 5.1%. So that's a 5.1% decrease. Now let's look at that as a multiplier. If we have 100% and subtract 5.1%, we're left with 94.9%. This is equivalent to 0.949 as a multiplier. If we take the amount in dollars for Q4, that's 1.12, and multiply it by this, we'll get the exchange rate for Q1 next year. However, we want for Q2 next year, so we got to multiply it by this twice, which is the same as squaring the multiplier. That gives us an approximate exchange rate of £1 is equal to $1.01. Now we need to calculate the value of the Star Farm's produce by next Q2. We're told the value decreases by 18%, which is a multiplier of 0.82. It's 100%, take away 18% is 82%, 0.82. We'll multiply the value of the produce in pounds by that to get £430,000. Now let's calculate what that's actually worth in dollars. And in dollars, we have 430,000 multiplied by 1.01 is 434,805. Alternatively, we could have just found the value. We want to find the value for in Q4 this year, so we're going to use this figure and this exchange rate, which is 525,000 multiplied by 1.12, which is 588,000. Now all we need to do for the last part is find the difference between these two values, which is 153,000.